Okay, today we're featuring a 2016 Acura MDX. It's got 32,000 miles on it. It's forest mist metallic in color. All right, it's got a clean Carfax one owner, still under factory warranty. All right, let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows, turn signals in the side mirrors. It is equipped with the sunroof as well. Got the nice chrome door handles with your lock unlock button here. Same for the back seat door handles. All right, driver's side of the Acura is in good shape. All right, it does have rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side here. Once again, got the lock unlock buttons here on both door handles. Turn signals in the side mirrors. Exterior of this MDX is in fantastic shape. Once again, it's a 16, still under factory warranty, 32,000 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Door panels look good. Got the nice wood grain trim here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have a memory driver's seat. Okay. It's also got your blind spot monitoring. All right. Telescopic wheel. Got your lane departure warning. All right. Got the beige leather seats. Power driver's seat. Let me go ahead and pan up, I'll show you. It's got the sunroof. There's another angle of it there, okay? Got the oversized center console here. Nice and deep there, lots of storage. Got the keyless entry key fob, okay? Got the nice wood grain trim here. You can slide that back. It's going to have your power outlet down there, USB auxiliary, okay? Got your cup holders here, push button transmission. Passenger's front seat is in great shape. No problems at all here. All right, it's got your push button start. Got dual climate controls. It's going to have navigation, backup camera. All right, radio displays, and we'll show you all that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Okay, got your cruise control over here. Got your steering wheel audio and Bluetooth here. It also has the transmission paddles in behind the steering wheel here. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 32,130 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and check out the radio displays here. First of all, we got your navigation up here on the upper screen. All right, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, it's got the guidelines as well. All right, then we'll pan down here, and this is going to have all your radio controls, climate controls. It's all touchscreen. Got your heated seats here. Okay, you simply just touch that. All right, that's your heated seats. You can X out of that. Got your climate controls here. Okay, that's the fan speed. Everything's touchscreen. All right, dual climate controls, navigation buttons here. Once again, got your transmission, push button transmission. Got your push button start. All right. Let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back. Alright, door panels back here look good. Alright, back seat carpet's nice and clean. Got your rear heat, rear air right here. Let me go ahead and walk around, open up that passenger door. It is a third row seating, okay? I'll go ahead and open up the tailgate here too. It's push button, power lift gate. Okay. All right, now back seat carpet looks good. Once again, got your rear air, rear heat. All right, back seat leather is in great shape. This thing's well taken care of. Not a scratch on the leather. Center console pulls down. Okay, got your cup holders there. One thing I love about these Acuras and Hondas, you simply press the button here. Okay, or there's a button right behind here. Simply press it. Seats are going to fly forward for you. Makes it easy to get access to that third row. Okay, third row leather looks good. I'll go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay, carpet back here is nice and clean. Got a convenient power outlet here. I'll step to the side. When that third row's up, you can see that it kind of cuts into the space back here. Really easy, just pull down on the handle, and you simply just push the seat down. Okay, really light. I'm doing that one-handed, and you can see how much it opens it up back there. Ton of room now. Simply press the button there to activate. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. So we've got, what size are these? 19-inch alloys, okay? Got the nice gray trim there. Tires are in great shape, brand new set of tires. Ton of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016, still under factory warranty, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing is beautiful inside and out, all-wheel drive. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.